weeks I've traveled through Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia, and right now I'm on my way to Finland. Usually the cheapest and the fastest way to travel is to take a flight, but from time to time I prefer to take a boat, and that's because of this amazing view. I will only stay a few days in Finland, but I will have time enough to send out many of those very popular cards. So if you are interested in one, just let me know and maybe you will be one of the lucky people who will receive one. After Finland, I will make a short stop again in Estonia and then I will move on to Norway and the Netherlands. I thank you all for following Starring You and I wish you all a great day.